It snowed today, yes.
In Colorado.
Meet the Mitchell family. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's the weekend in the Mitchell house. It's not the weekend where you are. And there is a lot going on. My hairstyle, I'm so glad you asked. I'm calling it half up, not down. You're walking out to the room. Oh. Morning. Oh, trying to jump. That's a new thing now. Trying to jump because, you know, you have examples of all these things. You're just getting your legs, your morning legs, right? Them not working yet. Oh, wow.
Mom, but
Nice.
show them mine. It's way cooler.
What about yours, Momo?
Let's see.
Whoa.
Alright, shaky booty.
Who teach you that dance?
Whoa. Mommy, everyone do the dance.
Whoa! You hoping to make breakfast this morning?
Yep.
What's on the menu?
Scrambled eggs.
Hold on, let me get something to put that in. And then, what else? Scrambled eggs.
Sausage, I think.
Okay.
Me and Momo are making it.
Alright. And remember, after you throw it away, what you do with the hands?
Wash. Because nobody wants salmonella. Is it like this?
No, you're gonna whisk it. The whole point is to incorporate some air, so.
So twist it like, oh, not
Yeah,
twist it
you're
like-
gonna, well,
Stir
first
it.
break the yolks. Yeah, that's just fun. And then I'm gonna show you real quick. You're going to try and do is kind of pick it up and put it down. Okay. You're doing this circular motion like this. So it's like, it looks like that. So what's happening? If I was to slow this video down, you'd see that air is being, we're creating little pockets of air, which is what makes it sometimes fluffy. So you see that? And then we're trying to incorporate the milk. So give it a go. Nicely done. Give you a feeling.
Oh.
Nice.
Dark.
Alright, that looks good. And a little more. Alright. Always tastes better in butter and a very low heat. Beautiful. Well done. Now we're going to push with a wooden spoon. It's like you don't want to just like stir. To me, you see it's setting up a little, you want to just now kind of push. That's not even ready yet. But you see like how the heat is slow, like you said, it pulls away a little there. Because
Oh, look, it looks like it's building up. Look, see right there.
so you kind of want to just
Pull it towards that.
push, see?
Oh, yeah, it's building
You
up.
see that? Pull,
It builds up the more we pull.
push, and pull.
Oh, I need to make some scrambled eggs for myself. Dad, this is so fun.
Hold on to the pan. Good job. Push. Pull. Good job. Push. Pull. Nice. You see it's starting to move away now because it's all cooking. Quick sample. Stop it out your daddy. Blow it, blow it, blow it.
No more. That's not enough for big man food.
And what you think? Salty enough? Peppery enough? Buttery enough?
I think it needs a little more salt.
Alright, so you know that for your next one, okay?
Yeah, because it tastes a little.
Sorry.
It's not, I'm not
Bland?
gonna say bitter.
Bland?
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just left home. I am running a few errands because I'm trying to get some stuff together before this week. And one of the things, I can barely talk with this elastic in my mouth. One of the things that I am trying to put together is like a little activity bag for each of the kids. And also a snack bag. Because everybody keeps telling me, make sure that their backpacks have snacks and activities.
Snack bags.
Snacks are the go-to thing. So I am literally at Fontana trying to see if I can pick up like activity books.
Tami, I don't know why you're stressing so bad about this thing. You're putting too much, like, I don't know. I won't say negative, but like you're just making it the worst scenario before it's gonna blow off.
It's part of how I plan. Says the guy who won't even be there. So
no, don't talk so over me thing. Don't talk so over me thing. Remember, so we're not doing that. No negative energy around me.
Hey,
I don't need no negativity around me.
In all fairness, though, like
high frequency.
We appreciate everybody who is like sending up prayers that it will get sorted. But I was talking to my dad about this yesterday, and he was like, hey, sometimes we also have to be like, we have to just pray that your will be done. It might be that Wayne doesn't make it this trip, and that's okay. We have to be okay with that. So
woman I like about your father is that him a plan beer things for me and him do.
I know. Daddy is like,
him have a much dinner plan.
Come over to my house on this day, and Wayne,
I was like, Mr. Chin, don't do that. I'll be in Colorado. I say, yo, Mr. Chin, don't do that. But alright, you know, curry goat on Wednesday, and then Friday evening we're gonna start we'll get some oxtail. Mr. Chin, stop it, man.
I want you guys to know that as much as you hear us saying this X, Y, and Z, our prayer is whatever it is to be will be. We are okay with it any way that it goes, and that is the most important thing. We did our best to plan ahead of time. We did our best to give ourselves enough time for this all to work out, but maybe it's not going to be that way, and this is how life is. We have to be okay with however the cookie crumbles.
No, that's true.
Yeah, so I don't want you guys to feel like we're only praying for one outcome and not that. Like when people say them pray for a hurricane for Missouri, but then it's going somewhere else. So what about that? So it's like we're just always praying for the best outcome possible, and we have to be okay with whatever that is. Fair enough. But you're right. I'm of course a little anxious, and so naturally I think what women do or people do is that we think about sometimes, okay, what are all the possibilities of things that could happen, and we try to prepare for them. And then I keep remembering this: when I'm in it, I'll be in it. So once we're in it, we'll be in it. And I literally said to my brother, the day after we arrive, we're not doing anything. We're gonna stay home and veg out, because it's going to be, we're all gonna be a bit tired, myself especially.
Adrenaline and beer things. Listen, when the boy them see foreign road, we get a picture says
it snowed today.
Hard in Colorado. Listen, I just trust me, they're going to be so excited about all of these new first things that they're going to be witnessing.
And they're also going to be nervous on the flight, and they're going to be nervous. So I know that even their demeanor is going to be a little different, and I'm just it's a mental load of making sure everybody's okay, everybody from the oldest to the youngest, making sure everybody is okay. So
because I'm
just saying, she's also one of the people I have to look out for.
I know
Gio as well, I have to look out for him. So it's a lot but don't worry, if you were there, I'd feel like I'd have to look out for you too.
Don't bother with that.
No, I don't mean it in a derogatory way. I just mean that's my well, it's part of my personality to
personality.
It is what it is, guys, so it's one of those things. And
I'm glad for you.
Gosh, Wade,
I'm glad for you still. You see me? Straight up. But I'm not gonna make it, you understand?
We can't make it dampen our spirits, and it's not the only trip we'll ever take with the family. There'll be times when it's you one going, and times when it's me one, times when it's us. And I know it was the first one, and then so it feels like a womp womp womp. But we have to trust that all things are working together for our good. So this is no different,
All I'm gonna say is you better vlog when
I'm gonna vlog.
If me don't make it,
all I'm gonna do is just check in with you.
If me don't make it, I want to see everything what happen.
We still want to know what's happening with you here.
Don't ramp with me. As a matter of fact, I'm going to talk to Gia and give him a stern reasoning. So he might go represent me if me don't make it. You
talk to my brother too and make him vlog too.
Yeah, true.
Tony, you're on the vlogging.
Yeah.
And Rach and all the kids. Y'all better hold up your cameras.
Yes, make sure everybody vlog well. Rachel and Tanya.
You know, we're trying out the new Wendy's, what's it name again? Pretzel burger. Of course, we're doing the chicken and the beef, but I also decided to just try the cheesy bacon fries too. You know,
all out still, you know?
I know. Sometimes, guys, like, this is what I love about the way that, like, we have approached our, like, fitness and wellness journeys, that we still are able to include things like this. We don't maybe have it as many times as we used to, but it's still a part of our joy. We love Wendy's,
and yeah, we can treat ourselves.
We can have, you know. Anyway, this is their new oh, it smells so good, the pretzel burger, and I got the chicken, and it has bacon and it looks like some kind of cheese and also onion rings. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to try. And the onions have a spice.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting all that. Wayne got the one with beef. So the beef does look good. And bacon. And there's a cheese, there's a sauce in there. What is that sauce? I think that's what's spicy.
So the pizza sauce.
I don't know if I can buy it with this amount. That's the problem. Oh, and their pickles, which is not Wayne's favorite thing in the world, but I tell him all the time, just try it. It probably works with it. How is this gonna go? I can't even.
Different.
Very good. Very good. Very good. It's kind of big to bite, but it's excellent in flavor. And that's probably because I just did my braces. There's a honey mustard in here too. It's excellent. Definitely a must try.
Yeah. And I was about to go with the ghost pepper in the butter, so you know what? The new thing, huh? I have to test it out. Bingo. Now go now.
I'll try the fries now. Okay, so this has the sauce that's in the burger too. I see.
Only thing could I mash up the meat right now? If I bite my tongue. You know, sometimes you're hungry and you eat something nice. I just bite your tongue and mash up yourself for the day. Now got me to me. And with the crossway, that's it there.
I hear you. I want to taste the beef. Wait, hold on, wait, man. Oh my God, wait, look now. You're going like you never eat no breakfast. Alright, we're gonna finish up here and then we're gonna go home. Wayne, let me taste that because you look like you want to come. You want to taste the chicken? You don't want to taste it, trust me. Oh my God, you left the perfect bite for me. I love you. Beef is a vibe. I think I prefer chicken now. Anyway, let's not torture everybody. We'll see you on the flip side. You got it. Write it one more time for me.
Okay.
And get nephew?
He did something very smart when he wrote nephew.
For the first time.
For the first time. He did
When right?
N-E-P-H-Y-O-U, nephew.
Nephew, man.
And hearing to me that makes sense, right? But he has it now. Alright, next word. He just said to me a while ago, because he spelled the word candy correctly. He said, I'm a professional boy, you know. Alright, next word. Big word now. Achieve. Shrimp for you, triple shrimp for you, triple shrimp. Hey, 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 hey. Only my need them could have done that.
No, sir, to be young and fun.
Uh-oh. I did that right now. My meniscus is gone forever.
That's Mama. Look at
Let me see
mine.
you try. Hey, ooh, ah, ooh. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
As you go down and then jump up.
Ooh, hey, yes. Okay. Look at that, Ozzy. Look at Gio. Oh.
Them in can do that.
Can go look at Gio. What?
Mom, look.
Them in can do that.
Gio, my ear ripped something. When you cannot do that.
You
Come
can.
on. You can't even. You can't even look at what's under the couch right now.
Ooh.
You can't.
Don't try that.
I dare you to look under the couch. I can't do that.
Hold the phone now.
Gio.
Go
Hold the
down.
phone now.
What is that? The slick. Oh, the hover. Hold on. Yeah, I want to try. Wait, no, let me see you do the dance first.
Mama, feed
Go on.
me.
I just remember some just.
No, man, just try, please.
Me no digest,
Just
but-
try. Just try. Ready? Go on. Boom, boom. Yeah. Hey. Jay, if you got.
Me that give you the real version, but me have the pink run tomorrow morning.
Yeah. It's true.
Hold my feet so I can.
Gio, mind you hurt something, you know. Gio, let me show you.